Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ahmadu Rahman. Class. In this lecture, we will continue what we started in our we started in our last lecture. We started chapter number 9, continue with HTML, and in the last lecture, we discussed text formatting tag, that was paragraph tag, and we learned how to script a code for changing the alignment of a paragraph. We align text for the right, center, left, and the justified alignment in our web page. Today we will learn about some more formatting tags that we can use in HTML scripting for web pages. The first is inserting blank spaces in the text. How we can insert blank spaces while we are writing script. Like you can see the result of the web page. Roll number, after the roll number we can see there's a space of 2 or 3 letters, and then it is shown name. So how we can show this result, how we can script a code for making this result? Just look at it here. After scripting body tag, body का on tag है, उसके बाद roll number जो हमारा first tag है, उसके बाद we wrote and NBSP semicolon, like we have typed 1 2 3 4 times after roll number, and then we just off the ending tag of body. When we just ran this, we got this result. So you can, this is how you can give empty spaces after every text if you want to give it. The second thing which we are studying is starting a new line. Like you can see in this result, I have typed Salim. After Salim, the second thing is coming in the next line. So how you can break the line? You can break the line with the syntax of break, BR. You can see in this picture that we scripted the code BR Salim, BR tag the other thing, BR tag the other thing. This is how we can break the line, we can change the line while we are scripting for the line wise things. The other thing which we are discussing here is adding headings in your web page. Like just suppose you are making a web page जिसमें 3 से 4 पैराग्राफ्स है या उससे ज़्यादा भी है, और हर पैराग्राफ की एक अपनी हेडिंग है. सो हाउ विल यू मैनेज टू गिव ऑल द हेडिंग्स इन अ हेडिंग स्टाइल्स? लुक एट दिस कोड. Like we are denoting every heading with the number H1, H2, H3 with the opening and the closing tag. तो आपकी भले ही जितनी हेडिंग्स है उसको आप न्यूमेरिक डिजिट्स देकर आप उसको डोनेट कर सकते हैं, like we have done here. I hope you all have understood. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.